hello and welcome back to the Nomadic Odyssey. So today we are finally here at the event and I'm going to vlog the show. So कल day one था, there were races, I was a part of it, but there was some kind of problems with the registration process जिसके कारण बहुत से मेरे जैसे जो राइडर्स थे उनका registration नहीं था, but the organizers just refunded our money back. So I felt quite sad about it, but ठीक है, चलता है, इवेंट में तो आए हैं, इवेंट देखने मिल रहा है. सो आज अपन कवर करेंगे ऑल द डिफरेंट स्टॉल्स दैट आर ओवर हियर, स्पेशली द यूनिक वंस. ऑल्सो विल बी कवरिंग द मोस्ट अवेटेड KTM 390 एडवेंचर्स लॉन्च दैट ऑल्सो हैज़ द एंड्यूरो. सो उसके बाद देखेंगे इवेंट्स कैसे चल रहे हैं, थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर देख लेंगे एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट्स स्पेशल अबाउट द इवेंट. टिल देन स्टे ट्यून्ड. So the past 6 months एक नाम काफ़ी आ रहा था मार्केट में, इंस्टाग्राम में, about Rally Towers. So right now I'm here at K3G Rally Tech to visit their stall here at IBW and know about the product, know about their growth, know about the upcoming new models coming in, and knowing about how it is helping a dirt cross, motocross or a rally athlete with their daily practicing and rallies. So this is their stall. There are various products out here. Scorpion tower. I guess this is, I'm not sure which tower this is, but we'll get to know it from a friend out here, a friend Subranil. So you might be knowing him. We had a video recently together on his new Himalayan. So he's a जो उसने मुझे चलानी दी नहीं, by the way. So let's know about how the product is, how the idea came into being about making something unique for the community. So
initially we started as a passion project. हम लोग को ऑफ-रोडिंग रेसेस का बड़ा शौक है स्टार्टिंग से. हाँ, जब से ऑफ-रोड पता चला है ऑफ-रोडिंग रेसेस की तरफ मेरा मन है. पैशन प्रोजेक्ट था जब मेरे पास 411 था कि कुछ बनाना है अपने 411 के लिए सिमिलर टू रैली टावर. बनाया दो तीन लोगों ने मिलकर हम लोगों ने, एंड देन वी डिसाइडेड कि चलो देखते हैं बिकता है क्या. ट्राइड सेलिंग इट लास्ट ईयर. काफ़ी सारे ऑर्डर्स आए स्टार्टिंग में, थोड़े बहुत इश्यूज निकले उसमें, ये हैंडल बार टच हो रहा है, ये हो रहा. सो वी स्टॉप सेल्स फॉर 6 months. रीडिड ऑल द R&D सारा, क्योंकि कैसा हुआ हर एक बैच में ना, मोटरसाइकिल का हर एक बैच में, सेम ब्रांड में हर एक बैच में डिफरेंसेस थे MMM के. फॉर एग्जांपल हिमालयन 411 MMM डिफरेंस था कुछ बैचेस में. किसी का हैंडल बार टच 2018 का बैच का हैंडल बार टच हो रहा था, 2019 का टच नहीं हो रहा था. हाँ, तो वो सब हम लोग वर्कआउट किया, एंड देन बाय May of this year 2024 we started sales properly again, and here we are. Right now we have rally towers for the X-Pulse, 390 ADV, Himalayan 411, 450, modified Dukes, whoever wants does off-roading in Duke. We have a couple of friends, as we know, अपने पॉकेट रॉकेट भैया और भी हैं वैसे ही क्रेजी लोग. एंड उसके अलावा इम्पल्स के लिए भी है रैली टावर्स. नाउ IBW में व्हाट वी वांटेड टू शो वाज अलोंग विद द रैली टावर्स दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी सेलिंग. दिस इज द स्कॉर्पियन में वी गिव द ऑप्शन टू ऐड स्टॉक हेडलैम्प्स. ओके, फॉर स्टेट्स लाइक केरला एंड सिक्किम, where they don't allow you. MVD is very strict है ना. तो उनके लिए स्टॉक हेडलैम्प का ऑप्शन वहाँ पे भी है. हम लोग का स्टॉक हेडलाइट वाला ऑप्शन वहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. सो दैट्स आल्सो देयर. 390 ADV के लिए मिराज वगैरह है. मिराज है, मैंटिस है. मैंटिस इज अ वेरी स्मॉल लाइट टावर ऑफ-रोडर्स के लिए, जो आपने मुझे रिकमेंड भी किया था. मैंटिस इज ऑफ-रोडर स्पेसिफिक. वो रेसर्स एंड ऑफ-रोडर्स के लिए छोटा सा है, 2 किलो के आसपास है सिर्फ. मिराज थोड़ा हैवी होता है, बट 390 ADV के लिए सबसे बड़ा फायदा, सिंस यू हैव द 390 ADV, सबसे बड़ा फायदा ये है कि वेट लॉस. राइट. स्टॉक हेडलाइट यूनिट इज अराउंड 5.8 kg. हमारा मिराज that is the heaviest tower is 3.5 kg without lights. But now there is a jinx with the ADV guys. नई मोटरसाइकिल आएगी तो आपको फिर से R&D करनी पड़े. तो चैसी बस हम लोग को चैसी माउंट चेक करना है अब. ओके. हाँ, so this is how I'll show you here. Yeah, come in. Our towers are absolutely bolt-on fit. Okay. 390 ADV में there are 2 bolts, 2 bolts on the neck, जिसमें स्टॉक हेडलाइट माउंट पूरा लगता है. बराबर. 2 bolts लूज करो, स्टॉक हेडलाइट माउंट निकल गया. हमारा टावर बोल्ट ऑन डाल दो, असेंबल होके आता डायरेक्ट. राइट. डाल दिया, वायरिंग वगैरह सॉर्ट कर लिया. इवन द स्टॉक क्या कहते हैं अपना द स्टॉक स्पीडोमीटर एंड एवरीथिंग फिट्स एज इट. उसमें भी आपको वायरिंग का कोई टेंशन नहीं लेने का. So there might be a lot of queries about आप इंस्टॉल कैसे करें, विजिट करते हैं. इंस्टॉलेशन इज वेरी सिंपल. जिसको बाइक थोड़ा सा भी खोलना, 2-4 स्क्रूज खोल के वापस लगाना आता है ना, वो भी कर लेगा.
Okay.
Yeah, it's absolutely simple.
So that's makes it easy for many skeptic guys. यार मैंने बाइक को डैमेज कर दिया यार.
कुछ नहीं, वारंटी isn't messed up because आप चैसी पे वेल्डिंग नहीं कर रहे कुछ.
बराबर.
चैसी काट नहीं रहे, बोल्ट ऑन फिट है, जो ऑलरेडी चैसी माउंट्स है उसी पे आप लगा रहे हैं.
Right.
तो वारंटी का कोई इशू नहीं आ रहा. सेकेंडली स्टॉक वायरिंग में कोई मैसअप नहीं है ना, स्टॉक वायरिंग करना है, नो एक्सटेंशन, नथिंग. तो स्टॉक वायर वैसा का वैसा रहता, एवरीथिंग स्टेज एज इज. सो योर वारंटी इज, एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ आवर रैली टावर्स इज दिस windshield.
Okay.
Polycarbonate windshield like OEMs make. And this particular design that you see, these cuts and every small thing.
Right.
The first windshield that we developed or tried to develop was a flat piece, a little bit curved, but whole piece. कोई cuts नहीं था ज़्यादा, ये सब नहीं था.
बराबर.
Our friend works in Mercedes as an aerodynamics engineer.
Okay.
उससे consult किया हम लोगों ने. This is what we came up with at the end of the day.
Okay.
ये small cut देख रहे हो? So if this cut is not there, हवा यहाँ से आएगा एंड यहाँ पे आएगा, राइट? इट विल क्रिएट अ वॉर्टेक्स.
ओके.
एंड वो वॉर्टेक्स क्या करेगा, आपको आगे खींचेगा, राइट? इट विल क्रिएट टर्बुलेंस राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर हेलमेट एंड इट विल पुल यू आउट, पुल यू इन द फ्रंट, राइट? दिस स्मॉल कट cuts out the vortex altogether.
Okay.
Yeah? I'll take this off.
Okay.
So this little cut takes care of the vortex. ये छोटे मोटे जो हैं, this makes sure कि everything goes out, but just a little bit comes in towards your torso.
Yeah.
तो summer riding में अपने को चाहिए थोड़ा सा हवा, तो
थोड़ा सा हवा चाहिए.
So if you are below 6'1", 6'2", 6 फीट 2 इंच तक भी अगर आपका हाइट है, उससे नीचे है, this windshield will help you with wind buffeting till 120 km/h.
That's cool.
Absolute perfect.
Because 120 के ऊपर अपने यहाँ पे रास्ते रेयरली मिलेंगे.
बहुत लोग कम
जाने
को भी नहीं मिलता 120 के ऊपर. अगर जा भी रहे हो तो फिर दुनिया में कोई विंडशील्ड नहीं है जो आपको 120 के ऊपर का बफेटिंग बचा के देगा. कोई विंडशील्ड नहीं है. मैक्सिमम विंडशील्ड 80-90 पे ही खत्म हो जाते हैं. हम लोग फिर भी 110-120 तक जाते हैं, राइट? एवरीथिंग इज प्लान्ड वेरी मेटिकुलसली. बहुत R&D हुआ है इस पे, हर एक प्रोडक्ट पे. ये मेरा खुद का बाइक है,
जो ने मुझे दिया नहीं था, चला दिया नहीं था, तो ऐसे ही वीडियो निकाला था. ठीक है, एनीवेज. अब क्या बोले.
तो ये मेरा खुद का बाइक है, हिमालयन 450. दिस टावर दैट यू सी, ये मेरे बाइक में 7 महीने से है.
Okay.
लेकिन सियरा हम लोगों ने बेचना स्टार्ट किया 1 महीना पहले. 6 महीना हम लोगों ने टेस्टिंग किया है. यही प्रोटोटाइप यूनिट है जिसका टेस्टिंग हुआ है. मैंने खुद किया है हर टाइप के टेरेन में. So every tower that you see has been tested in different kinds of terrain by different expert riders. Expert riders से टेस्ट हुआ है. मेरे को छोड़ दो, मोटरसाइकिल ट्रेल, सोलोमन व्लॉग्स, ऋषिकेश मंडके, मेघना मंडके, इन लोगों ने टेस्ट किया हमारे टावर्स. They have confirmed कि हैंडलिंग सुधरता है. फ्रंट का वेट लॉस हो रहा है ना, राइट?
बराबर.
फ्रंट का वेट लॉस जैसे ही हुआ,
लॉस में भी रहती नहीं है आपकी बाइक, ज्यादा कम हो जाता है.
फ्रंट लाइट हुआ, वहीं पे हैंडलिंग सुधर गया.
That's cool.
एंड अभी हमारा मेन द पीस रेजिस्टेंस, ये हमारा गैस के लिए मेड एन एल्युमिनियम टावर. दिस बाइक इज गोइंग टू गो टू रैली डू मोरॉक वेरी नेक्स्ट ईयर एंड पॉसिबली डकार द ईयर आफ्टर.
दैट्स नाइस. मेरा भाई बड़ा बन गया बाबा.
मैं नहीं जा रहा, मेरा दोस्त जा रहा. बट
नहीं, तेरा दोस्त जा रहा है, बट तेरा प्रोडक्ट ही जा रहा है ना भाई.
दिस वन नो एल्युमिनियम, नो CNC.
How is it that the finish is such? You sandblast it after?
I am not sure because the production and design guy is not here. This one we are not selling yet.
What are you selling?
The ones that we are selling right now, which bike do you have?
KTM 390.
390 ADV. 390 ADV, we have 2 options. This is the Mirage. Mirage comes for 22,000.
Okay.
Right now we are running an offer of 50% off.
Hey, Rishu.
And the offer is valid only for today and tomorrow. Yeah?
Tell him.
So I guess अपना भाई बिजी हो गया है.
टूरिंग और ऑफ-रोडिंग.
I guess अपना भाई बिजी हो गया अभी
कस्टमर्स
को बताने के लिए. I would recommend you to just try their products if you are into dirt, if you are into rallies,
you have more space
and if
for
you are into such kind of stuff.
You have more space for wiring.
So that's
you have
Rally
more
for you.
space on the
Thank you.
top plate.
स्टार्ट करेंगे.
These boys running now make some noise.
That's Torque Block. Rhino Walk having motor fans. By the way, these are the lights I might be installing on my Tiger. So IPW merchandise. Fleet track.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, coming up next is Bikers of India. Make some noise! Come on, onto the stage, onto the stage. Come on!
That's the last
Come on, yeah, there's the energy. Bikers of India, Kolhapur! India, Kolhapur!
So we are here at Art Ancestors with some awesome work of art. So let's interview these guys and get to know them. So may I know your good name?
My name is Amit Kumar.
Okay.
And we are basically from Mumbai, Borivali.
आमची मुंबई.
आमची मुंबई बोलू शकता आपण. So we basically started our art ancestors art studio, and we basically started it to preserve the culture of arts, which is we can say गायब होते जा रहा है हमारे इंडिया में से. जब से डिजिटल आया है, people have forgotten like what's our culture was. But
Right.
again, after जब से अपना एक राम मंदिर, छोटा सा राम मंदिर बन गया है, after 500 years, our culture of art and heritage, the awareness has increased.
Right.
So that was my motto behind to start Art Ancestors basically. And this year what we have done specific is, as we all know, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is
Yeah.
also one of the biggest bike enthusiasts of this country. And this season is most probably his last season he's playing for the IPL. So
Okay.
that is the reason we have just hand painted this custom tank. And this is a small tribute from our side to him as he's playing his last match as well. And this tank specifically, इसके पीछे रीजन ये है कि माई भैया का जो पहला बाइक था वो RX 100 था और वो आज भी उनके पास है. So that is the reason I choose a Yamaha tank to do this artwork. And इस पे हमने 2 फेज रिप्रेजेंट किए हैं महेंद्र सिंह धोनी के. So the first phase, if you can come to this side, this is the vintage Mahi with long hairs keeping behind the stumps.
Okay.
And as you saw on the other side, so on this other side we have portrayed his trademark of collecting the stumps after each victory.
Right.
And this is the final stump which he had collected. And after that, BCCI and ICC has implemented the rules that you can't take stumps after winning the match.
Right.
So that's what we tried to replicate on this complete tank with his jersey number, iconic 7, Dhoni, and Whistle Podu.
Thala forever.
Thala forever. Apart, we have also done like few custom shoes, like where you can see this Nike. In this, we have completely hand painted this Valentino Rossi, the number
Okay.
46. Every bikers want to wear only this 46,
Yeah.
just because of this craziest rider Valentino Rossi. Apart, we did this shoes in this. We have showed some motocross actions. So this is basically for motocross people who basically like to do off-roading, dirt biking and adventures.
So I'm your customer then. I'm a motocrosser.
Why not?
So make one for me.
Definitely,
जो बना रहा हूँ, उसको बना दो मेरे लिए.
You just let me know what imagination you're having in your mind. We'll definitely try our best to replicate on the product or the merchandise on which you want to get it done.
Okay.
Like this jacket. The theme behind this is Leh, Ladakh.
Right.
The dream for any biker who is riding a bike.
Yeah.
So this was the complete theme: Leh's flag, mountains, roads, greenery, complete thing in this single jacket.
And it's actual paint.
Yes,
it's
it's
actual
completely
paint.
hand painted. Again, that jacket we did for motocross people.
Okay.
So basically, they ride like they have literally stolen it. So
Yeah.
that's why we have justified it. Like he's just taking off from the mountains, evening scene, everything in the background. And the most important part, we have did this whatever you have seen in just 5 days,
That's commendable.
because it was just all of sudden call for us, invitation from IBW. I can say it's really a proud moment for us as well that we are representing the one of the biggest bike festival in India, and that's the reason we thought was to give a tribute to the biggest bike enthusiast and biggest vintage collector of India, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. That's
Yeah.
it.
That's cool. So my question is, so you started it as a small startup and you tried to grow, right? Anything about those struggles and reaching till here?
Yeah, like if we compare ourselves, like when we started after COVID, I took my harsh decision to leave my job because I understood it's not everything.
Yeah.
So I am first of all not a professional artist. I'm a self-rent artist. I've worked with many artists to gain this. I am basically from Mumbai. तर आपल्या मुंबईमध्ये गणपती खूप जोराशोरात
जोरात
आपण
होतो.
साजरा करतो.
बरोबर.
तर मी एक गणपती मूर्तिकार पण आहे. मी वॉल मोरलिस्ट पण आहे. तर माझा करिअर कम्प्लिटली त्याच्यात होता. But I got exposure like people are doing hand painted jackets, custom shoes. So it was very simple idea came into mind कि मी जे canvas वर या फिर जो मैं wall पे कर रहा हूँ, it's the same thing. The
Right.
only thing is perfection आना चाहिए थोड़ा. So I tried experimenting, and now we are at that extent कि I can assure you, you can wash this jacket, you can wear this jacket in rains, the color won't fade away.
That's great. That's a guarantee.
That's a guarantee.
So, how do you expect the last 2 days to expected the last 2 days? I mean, coming to Goa, facing this heat.
So it was really an adventurous tour, I can say, because coming here for the very first time, no idea who will be coming us, what kind of people, what kind of artists will be coming to represent their moto art. But our thinking was very simple, to keep the thing simple, traditional, representing our nation as well. As we say, kala bolti hai. Kala to bolni chahiye, bas
bolni
wahi prove
chahiye.
karne nikle.
So very nice to speak with both of you. आप तो ज़्यादा बोले नहीं, but ठीक है, it's okay. And I wish you all the very best. And it's great to cover something that is artistic and something that requires actual. I mean, बाकी चीज़ों भी लगता है, but making something with your hands, making it custom is very hard.
It's complete feelings of anybody who what I'm replicating on jacket or any product. It's complete feeling of someone. Like you told me, I'll be your first customer, right?
Yeah.
I'm a motocross person. So you're having something in your mind. You're having that feelings with you. यार ऐसा कुछ मिल जाता है ना यार, मेरे को मजा आ जाता है यार, बस कोई बना के दे दे यार. And when you see that thing in reality, the smile on the face of my client, that gives me the most satisfaction. I'm just doing that. It's not I'm just selling the art, jacket, or my creativity or my hobby. It's just like what expressions or what feelings, emotions. It's all about emotions.
Yeah. So this is Art of Ancestors, and do follow them on Instagram and do put your orders, because I really feel that they are putting down their emotions. Thank you.
And now the next club rolling on to the main stage is England Riders Club. England Riders Club, come on!
एक्सेलेंट की तरफ गया वो आगे
So we are at a very special place right now. What I feel is something that or someone that I call is a real life hero. So we are at Art of Optimus, and just to introduce you, we have his mom right here,
Hi, Moshram is my name.
and to tell you about Art of Optimus, he is the only photographer in India with Down syndrome, and he does motocross photography, captures motorsports events. Yeah.
Photographer.
Motorsport photographer.
Only one in India right now.
Yeah. So we have his mom. Can we have a few words from you?
Please
Yeah.
ask.
So, how did you know that your son one day would have a knack about being into the sport?
Well, it's the sport in the sense that he had an innate eye. He knew. So see, from the very beginning, it wasn't very easy. So when the doctor handed me over the baby, the doctor said, "I'm sorry."
Oh,
So it was a very difficult time for us, for me especially, but then I wouldn't take sorry for an answer. So I took up the challenge and I wanted him to be where he wants to be. And various time and then constantly looking after him, the struggle, the journey, which is still on, we realized that he has a knack for photography. And he has a sense of composition. It's something which is innate in him. So what we taught him, we learned to teach him, my elder son especially, Aniket, learned photography to teach him how to simplify things, the technological part, the technological is not the word. The
Technical part.
Yeah, technical part of how to focus, how to look at it, how to see it. So all that was taught to him.
that's nice.
So and then he started to go in various places to take photographs of portraits and landscapes and cityscapes. And since my elder son is an individual who designs bikes, motorcycles, he took him to Big Rock Dirt Park.
Oh,
So Big Rock, you may be knowing about
Yeah.
CS Santosh.
yeah, I know.
Yeah, so
Who
CS
doesn't
Santosh
know?
is a very good friend of ours.
Oh,
So he wanted Jijo to come over and take some shots and introduced him to this, and both of them, Aniket and him, they did it together. So it was very heartwarming. Yes, sir, please take.
Yeah, it fell down.
No, you can take it.
so I can see. I mean, this when I came yesterday, I already told you, but I wanted to tell this on camera too. I came here only for 15 minutes. I was just after racing, I came here. I was looking here and no vlogging, but I just stopped for 5 minutes. So I literally even my friends who were with me, we had a sort of theory things because we don't see people fighting against all odds, and I'm seeing it, and I'm seeing someone who has done this, and it's really commendable. That's the only reason I wanted to meet you
Yeah.
people.
And
Sadly,
it
Jijo has
been
gone out for a
yeah.
photograph, but he'll be here.
Yeah, he'll be here. I mean, it's an immense honor and it's such a historical moment for Jijo and for us that IBW invites him as an in IBW. So, they invited him, they introduced him to the world here in the motorcycle world. And that's the greatest thing because, see, one is the social impact
Yeah.
that we want to create. Yesterday, one family had come with an individual with Down syndrome, a 10-year-old boy, not for IBW, but they saw Jijo will come here.
Yeah.
So from Kolhapur they came just to meet Jiju, and I think that is the greatest reward a mother and a family can have.
You're not just a mother, you're someone very brave. A lioness. I'll call you a lioness in that way. Because it takes a lot of heart. It takes a lot of heart, and getting success and reaching here is something really nice and to feel very proud of. So we have Jiju.
Yeah,
We have-
Jiju is here, and
Hi Jiju. We have the superstar.
and this is Aniket, the manager to the rock star.
Okay. So how was the day, Jiju?
Nice, amazing.
I'm feeling really proud to take this video with you.
Yes.
And how was your day? How are you actually feeling for the last 2 days being at IBW?
So I think that I always travel to a Bangalore to a Goa.
Okay.
Nowadays time that India Bike Week already seen my post and they are telling them in the stall, come here, enjoy, just see around. That is a display of bikes, just see once. It's an audience to come and see. That's the thing that comes to us to excited.
Yeah.
Excited.
No, all stalls they are excited.
Everyone here is excited.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling so happiness.
And what about your stall? All this, how are you feeling?
My stall is my great World Superhero stuff.
Most superhero stuff.
It is both about that and that end game that DC, Marvel and Stanley and
गाड़ी घुसने नहीं देता था.
we love that all. That's what we love Optimus Prime. Why?
हाँ.
Optimus is my
नहीं तब भी प्रॉब्लम किया. गाड़ी का पास दिखाओ, ये करो, वो करो. पास तो भाई.
You know who's the superhero? You're the superhero.
yeah.
Yeah.
Optimus is superhero. I'm also both. Optimus is there. I am there.
Hi.
Optimus are
I'm great. How are you?
give to
So good to see you.
happiness spread in the world.
So Optimus gives happiness
Yeah.
to the world.
More happiness.
And you?
I also full do that option. Optimus and me and Sen.
Camera and Jiju is full of vibe.
I always enjoy the song is
Yeah.
Happy song. That happy song is
Will Ferrell's happy.
Yeah. That is why I am
The
happy.
session's over,
I'm
right?
really happy to meet you.
Yes.
So guys, this is a superhero,
We are
Jiju.
unable to leave the stall. That's
Come. So these are the Red Rooster exhausts, and they are here at IBW. Everything that you need with accessories, catalytic converters, and those basic exhausts, everything. So let us discuss with them about the product. So we are here at Red Rooster Performance, and your good name?
Abdul Khadir.
So we are with Abdul Kader. So I've been seeing this brand from the last 5-6 years since I started motorcycling, and I've been quite well versed with all these exhausts. Plus I have tried once on my ADV 390. So आपका क्या बोलना है आपको अभी के जो
We have come up with new exhaust like Himalayan 450 and another for Interceptor, another one variant called
Okay.
Stellar Pro. Before it had only Stellar, so we have launched one Stellar Pro exhaust, and as well as we have got a premium exhaust called carbon fiber exhaust
Okay.
for Himalayan 411 as well as for Himalayan 450.
oh,
So it's a carbon fiber, purely carbon fiber exhaust.
and filaments inside like the wool or something.
Yeah, it's like everything called like imported ceramic blanket kind of thing. So what they use for high-end bikes and all.
That's
so
nice.
it's nice. It's good exhaust, like nice tone,
everything. It's
I mean,
proper engineered.
I've been sure about the reliability of all these on our Indian motorcycles that have come in the KTM and all.
Yeah.
So anything in the future that the company is planning for going into the premium?
Yeah, we are going. We are trying for premium segment like for super bikes, like 600cc above segments. So we soon get into those segments also.
Okay, so that's nice to know. So going on with, I've just read your brochure out here.
Yeah.
According to it, there were many more, not just exhaust, and you're also getting into making other parts and accessories for motorcycles.
Yeah,
How it's been?
for accessories kind of like crash guards and all for
Okay.
Royal Enfield bikes. Maximum we got for Royal Enfield product as well as for Honda, KTM, Java, SD, all those products. In future we'll come up for Apache 310, RR, GS. Everybody is asking for those bikes also. Why you are not making? So we'll come up with those exhausts also in future.
All right. So one question, because I've been a dirt guy, mostly into dirt and rallies. So anything for that Red Rooster might come up in the future for us?
Surely we are planning for that. That's what I said. The segment now the segment is like 650cc, which comes in Royal Enfield. Beyond that, we want to go for like 800cc, 850cc, like all like BMW bikes, Tiger, Tramp, all those segments of bikes.
All right.
So
I myself have a big bike.
Yeah.
So being in the Triumph stable or something, how soon can I expect this? Because I'm just curious.
soon, because soon as in like 3-4 months, we are planning for do all such things. We are come up with new factory. We are making it larger.
Okay.
So we'll be have multiple products also soon.
That's nice. That's nice. So this is Red Rooster Performance Exhaust right at IBW, and you can check out their range. You will get there all the premium ranges with great reviews. Again, online everywhere. So nice knowing you, and all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Everything from Givi. That's the LS2 official store. All the LS2 helmets.
Nine more minutes to go before I become a lucky draw winner.
So Brixton has launched their motorcycles today. Let's see how their motorcycles and machines are. This is the Bridgestone 500 Crossfire XC. Brixton Motorcycles 500 XC again. This is the official Race Motor Store.
तो आपने इतना बना लिया
भारत की बाइक है, वर्थ एवरी पेनी।
It's not true. Everybody's
फ्लोर की बाइक में चढ़ना ही नहीं चाहिए।
लगता भी है क्या मुझको खिलाती है क्या इस दिल लगी बाजे रे ढोल तारो ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल ये धम धम बाजे
So here you will find everything related to bikes. That's the Crank One store where you find different types of sintered disc pads for super bikes, premium bikes, normal bikes, etc. Next comes in Moto Madness. Everything with gears, Dainese. ज़्यादा ग्रेड Dainese ही दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. Dainese racing team. That's Blue Armor. Blue Armor store. Grand Pit Stop. That's the next thing. चल तिकडे जाऊया विंगाम.
What you type to me, you must change that.
It's a new brand. These are helmets made in Thailand. 30% discount दिया है, and these are the. I like this design, by the way. Let's get another intercom. They have their own mesh. The name is Midland. Moto Garuda, this is something new. Oh, riding jeans and pants. This is
This textile uses you start sweating. Like you
Lovely boy.
Hi guys, please unsubscribe.
Hands up, everybody! What's up, girl? What's up, India? What's up, Hindustan? Yeah! I go by the name of Divine.
That's it guys for today. I'm done with the vlog. शायद से मैं रूम पे वापस जाके चेंज होके might be I'll be recording Divine. So thanks for tuning into the Nomadic Way. I tried to focus on things that were quite unique. So sorry for that. Because last time we were in India, but these things is all common. So I thought of really focusing on something that is really unique. So I hope you like this vlog. So then bye. Stay tuned and like, follow, and subscribe. Thank you.